We go as far as we can seek, and we grow as far as we can reach. The inception of Crecers was on this thought: to grow, to thrive, to expand, to enhance, and to amplify in all possible dimensions. Crecers Academy of Management and Education is an intellectual thought and implementation complementing skill development at various levels. Ideas create revolution. Revolution transpires as people want growth and are in need of change. Today, with trailblazing technology, rapidly rising commerce, steep business challenges, and dynamic human behavior, along with academics, skill is a vital part in building ourselves both for our personality and career. Crecers focuses on enhancing those dimensions of skills. We bring in specific courses in line with career launch, career progression, and career transition. We have two distinct courses, one being Diploma in Comprehensive HRM for all HR aspirants, providing knowledge, skills, and building behavioral competency for having a successful HR career. With that, we work on building great counselors by our Foundational Diploma in Counselling Skills. We work at schools and educational institutions at high school level, complementing their academics, behavioral science, and career orientation by running workshops such as understanding adolescent development and behavior, anger and stress management, social media addiction, focus and time management, what is next after 10th, and many more such interesting and valuable programs. Additionally, we work at colleges and universities on employability skills encompassing critical and creative thinking and many more programs in line with employability. We have one-to-one counseling at our center focusing on adolescent, career, and personal counseling. Crecers' vision is to make a difference, influence life with growth, inspire lives for better, enable each of our students to taste success by seeing their dreams coming true. We believe in building and transformation. Your goal is our aspiration. Education is all about enhancing dimensions of life. We thoroughly believe and are working on it.